Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at some must-see bob and short haircut ideas. First up, we see this beautiful angled bob. Loving the silver lavender hair color that she has. Unfortunately, we don't get to see the final results of this, but I can imagine that it looks simply gorgeous. The color alone is worth its weight in gold. So next up, we see the styling of a Pixie haircut. So she's doing a blowout on her Pixie. Looks so full and bouncy. And she also has a really pretty platinum hair color happening. She also has angled bangs to help frame her face. Then we have the styling of a bob. So her bob comes to back neck length, and she is also doing a blowout as well as flat ironing her strands. She has pretty thick hair, so her bob does look absolutely gorgeous. And it is a little bit longer in the front, creating a nice little angle. Next up, we see another gorgeous angled bob. This one comes to about jaw length, features beautiful side swept bangs as well. And then we see a hair transformation. So she starts off with this long hair, and then she goes to this beautiful pixie. Then we see the wonderful singer Ellie Ma. She is rocking a bob. Beautiful highlights blended in with that. And then we see the styling of a pixie. So she has like this really pretty rainbow hair color. She's rocking the colored eyebrow trend as well. Love her makeup. So she's going to be using a smaller plated flat iron for this, which is perfect if you have short hair. It just allows you to grip the hair better, curl it up under. So she's doing kind of like a feather look with the pixie, and I think it looks gorgeous. So she actually ended up doing pin curls to hold the curls up under so that they will last longer. So then we have the styling of a pixie haircut. Now she is pregnant, so her hair has gotten a lot thicker. And she's able to use heat on her hair in order to help with that thickness that she has coming in. Her hair looks so shiny as well. Very pretty. And then we have someone else cutting their hair. Looks like she's doing a bit of an undercut pixie. This, of course, is a professional stylist because she is doing an amazing job on this cut. Gorgeous. Love the spikiness she did, and then she also added line detailing there on the side. And then we have a quick weave pixie cut. She's using kind of like a silver blue tone. It's kind of hard to tell because of the lighting, but it's a really pretty color. So there's the final results. Very cute. Great way to switch it up with a wig. And I believe this hair transformation is going to be of a bob. Looks like she's getting the signature French girl bob, complete with bangs. Very pretty. This is definitely a classic haircut. Alright you guys, so if you have not done so already, be sure to hit the like button, and of course you want to subscribe for more hairstyles, fashion tips, and of course makeup.